Hey guys, it's January 28th, 2019. It's been pretty sunny here in Seattle. Let's start over here with the update. You can see the bulbs. Sprouts um, are getting longer now. Um, yeah, and the Puskinia, you can see a sprout right there. So that's nice. And here we have the Persian tulips. And the snowdrops, you can see this variety, the double petal variety, isn't flowering for some reason, and the single petal ones are flowering. Yeah, other than that, everything looks pretty much the same. Just the sprouts are getting bigger now, and there's a lot more sprouts too. Peony. Let's look at the rosemary flowers. It's not opened yet. And let's also take a look at the mulberry sprouts. And you can see I cleaned up the strawberry, and I think there's some aphid infestation. As you can see some little speckles on the leaves. I think those are the remains of the aphids. Asparagus, it's actually has started to sprout, at least for this tiny one over here. Don't see the big ones yet. And the raspberry, you can see the flowers are still here, which is interesting. And then the rhubarb leaves are coming up now. Yeah. Saffron's looking good, and you can see some slugs in there actually. As for the indoor garden, the succulents are looking pretty good. You can see this snake plant thing that's doing really well. The little baby is getting bigger. Orchids are looking good. This flower is still there. Dendrobium, I think. Yeah, they're all looking pretty good. The Stockholm fern, you can see this new leaf is getting bigger now. Let's look at the other one right there. You can see that new leaf is coming out too. And the succulents, it's doing well. It's not rotting, so that's a good sign. And you can see some new leaves coming out. Pineapple, all looking good. And then these succulents are all doing pretty well too. This string of pearls is doing exceptionally well. Let's look at the hanging plants. This prayer plants. You can see the new sprouts are growing a lot faster now. And it's actually also producing some flowers on some part of the plant, like right here. And the spider plant, it's also producing a lot of flower spikes. You can see right here is a new one. And then here is another flower spike with flowers that has already opened. Philodendron, and then Phalaenopsis. Flower, you can see the flower buds now. So yeah.